Hey guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So let me tell you how it will go. In today's video, I will show you how you can remove watermarks from any video and what benefits we can get from it. So let's get started on the PC. First, we will open Google and type video watermark remover here. After that, you will see here, Make AI. You need to come to this website and drop your file here, from which you want to remove the watermark. And now, I select this file for watermark removing. After this, it will take some time and will remove the watermark from your file.
1 minute later.
When this is complete, we will download it. That's it. The work will be done. Now, let's see the watermark has been removed from video or not. Now here you see the watermark has been removed from the video. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to remove watermarks from any video effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks.